We all have those certain products that we sell tons of. Look over your invoicing from your vendors and look for patterns. I saw one of ours literally from day one. See, we print for a lot of bands, churches, and artists and clothing lines and whatnot. And we sell tons and tons of black t-shirts. We also sell tons of white t-shirts as well, but hand over fist, way more black t-shirts. A lot of Gildan 5000s, a lot of next level 3600s. So I figured out a really awesome method where we go ahead and order bulk stock of all those products. It'll save you so much money in the purchasing process, so much time in the receiving process, and your orders for those products are going to come right in and fly right back out the door. What we're talking about now is speed printing. It's about getting an order in and out of your shop as quick as possible to really take care of that customer. We sell so many Gildan 5000s, so many next level 3600s. We looked at an average of what we're moving at any given time, and so we bring in thousands and thousands of Gildans and next level products, and we bring them in by the case full. And that's how we're actually ordering them. We're not ordering single pieces, we're ordering by the case. And we're watching these cases as they deplete. Our purchasing people are actually watching them with their eyes. We have no digital record of this right here other than the invoice itself. So as we run out of shirts down this line, they order more in. As we crack open a case, we basically fill these shirts right here, ready for the orders. As orders come in, we run down the line picking. If we run out of shirts in a bin, crack up another case, fill it up. Again, purchasing sees the depletion of the case, they order another case in. Comes right in the door. Super simple. These shirts are gonna go right onto a cart, right into a bin. However you like to organize your shirts, you're gonna get them right to press, print them as quick as possible back in the customer's hands. Remember, you probably quoted them some sort of turnaround. Can you beat that turnaround? Can you call them back and say, hey guys, I actually took care of you because we had a hole in the schedule. We had some reason. I just wanted to hurry up and get you your merchandise. I want to make sure you're taken care of. That is the name of this game, is value to that customer. So set yourself up for success. Look for that pattern within your orderings and buy stock of those products and get into speed printing. So I really hope these tips on receiving really help you. It's going to take care of your customers. Your employees are going to be so much happier being able to receive goods in, get it right to press, way more efficient. Hit me up if you need anything. My email is John at Terminus Tees. I love to talk other concepts with you. Make sure you keep using Printavo and hug Bruce because he's delightful.